Here are two very good questions on this test. Question 17 says, consider the function f of x equals to 3x squared minus 2 and g of x equals to 3 minus 2x squared. Which real numbers are in both the range of fx and the range of gx? So we have to find the common range, okay? Now, and the second question is, you read both the questions, make a note of these questions, try to answer them, and then look into the video. Question 18 is, find constants a and b such that the following piecewise function is continuous. So here is your function, f of x is equal to minus x if x is between minus 3 and minus 2. And it is equals to ax squared plus b if x is between minus 2 and 0. And is equal to 6 if x equals to 0. Okay, so try to answer these questions and then look into our solution. So let's do question 17. It's easy to sketch so that you can visualize it and then do your problem. These are very simple equations to sketch. 3x squared minus 2, right? So where is the vertex? Vertex is at 0, minus 2. And the parabola opens upwards. So 0 minus 2, let's say here it is, right? And where are the x-intercepts? X-intercepts will be 2 over 3 square root, right? So we can draw like this kind of function, right? And here we have this point as minus 2, correct? This point is 2 over 3 square root. Okay, so it is like, let me write here, minus 2 over 3 square root, and this is plus 2 over 3. Okay, now the other function. So other function, let me draw it in blue. The function is 3 minus 2x squared. Where is the vertex? Vertex is at 0 and 3, and it opens downwards. So instead of minus 2, it is plus 3. And it opens downwards. And where is the x-intercept? 3 over 2, so more than 1. So it will be kind of here. So let's go like this. And this point is very critical for us, which is 3. Correct? 3. Now, the question says, which real numbers are in both ranges of this? So, common range is between minus 2 and 3, correct? So we can write our answer straight, and that is the real numbers. That means y is greater than equal to and less than equals to minus 2 and 3, correct? So that's your answer. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. Okay, question 18. The constants a and b such that the following piecewise function is continuous. Now whenever you have a piecewise function, you know each element is continuous. Minus x is a continuous line. Ax squared plus b is a continuous parabola. 6 is a constant continuous function, correct? Now it could be discontinuous only at the points where it is joined together. So those points are at minus 2 and 0. So if we make these 2 points equal, then the function will be continuous. So let's consider x equals to minus 2. So if I put x equals to minus 2, then the first question, my value will be minus of minus 2, correct? And at minus 2, these 2 points should overlap, right? There will be a hole here, but filled up with this function, correct? So here, this value will be a times minus 2 squared plus b, which gives us 4 equals to 4a plus b. Is it okay? Now how about the next one? Next one we'll check for x equals to 0. If x equals to 0, ax squared will be 0. We are left with b here. So we got b equals to 6. b equals to 6. So we get b equals to 6. That's good. So we get one value. We can put this value here and find a. So let me call this now as equation 2. So let's substitute 1 and 2. And we get 4 equals to 4a plus 6, and we can solve for a, right? So a will be 4 minus 6, then divide by 4, correct? Which will give us 4 minus 6 is minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, let's just a minute, I made a mistake here. When I did minus of minus 2, I wrote 4. Actually, this was 2, not 4. Okay, let me make a correction. So simple correction is good. I found it just now. So minus of minus 2 is 2 plus, and then we have got 4a plus b here, and we found b as 6. So we'll plug 6 here, and let me do this again. Okay, so b is 6, right? Let's do this again. So fine, let's take this on this side now. So we have equation 2 equals to 4a plus b, and since b is 6, we'll write 6 here, right? So 2 equals to 4a plus 6, and then 2 minus 6 is equals to 4a. 2 minus 6 is how much? Minus 4. So from here we go here. So minus 4 equals to 4a. So when we divide by 4, we get minus 1 equals to a, correct? Therefore, we get our answer as a equals to minus 1 and b equals to 6, okay? That's our solution. Have a close look at it. Sorry for this mess. Okay? Good, we found the mistake. Okay, have a good look at this, and then we'll move forward to the next set of questions.